Hi! In this video, we will learn about regular and irregular past tense verbs. Read these sentences. Something doesn't sound right. What is wrong? Notice the phrase, last week. This shows the action happened in the past, but the verbs are in the present tense. We can revise it. Add ed to most verbs to form the past tense. Visit, visited. Pick, picked. Here, the phrase last night tells that the action happened in the past. The present tense verb bake ends with the letter E. If a verb ends with E, add the letter D to form the past tense. Bake, baked. For most verbs that end with a consonant and Y, change the Y to I and add ed. The past tense of worry is worried. But not all verbs follow these patterns. For some, you must change the word. The past tense of eat is ate. The past tense of give is gave. The past tense of bring is brought. These are called irregular past tense verbs. Notice that there is no pattern to the way these verbs change from present tense to past tense. All the verbs in the sentences are now in the past tense. Last week, we visited an apple orchard and picked apples. Last night, we baked a pie. We worried it would not be good. Earlier today, we ate some pie and gave a piece to a neighbor. She brought us a thank you note. And that's how you form regular and irregular past tense verbs. See you next time.